Probability is the study of the likelihood of events happening when there's some form of randomness involved. Although we usually think of flipping coins and rolling dice, the concepts of probability are applicable to real-life situations, from setting insurance rates to predicting the spread of disease. We will begin our study of probability by learning some of the basic language and key concepts that we will need. In probability theory, an experiment is a repeatable procedure that results in a randomized outcome. This can be either a practical procedure, like dealing cards or drawing balls from an urn, or these can be hypothetical constructs, like modeling how long you wait in line at the grocery store. The important feature for us is that our experiments are repeatable. This means we can set up the same conditions over and over again and get consistently random results. The list of all possible outcomes of an experiment is known as the sample space. For example, if you roll a standard 6-sided die, there are 6 possible outcomes. We denote the sample space using set notation. It is important to use curly brackets to surround the list, and the items in the list are separated by commas. This will help with clarity and organization. An event is some collection of outcomes from the sample space. For example, when rolling a die, we can say that rolling an even number is an event. Events are also sets, so we must use set notation for these as well. We can also have events that have a single outcome, such as rolling a 1. If the die is perfectly fair, we would expect that the probability of each outcome is the same. When this happens, we say that the outcomes are equiprobable. And in this situation, it is easy to calculate the probability of an event. The left side represents the probability of event X. We can use different types of notation for X. We can state the event using words, or we can simply list the event as a set. This notation doesn't need to be technical, it just needs to be clear. A success is when the outcome is one of the events we are interested in. So a success of rolling an even number simply means that the outcome was either a 2, 4, or 6. This means that the probability of rolling an even number is 3/6 or 1/2, and the probability of rolling a 1 is 1/6. There will be times when we want to leave the probability as a fraction, and there will be times that we will want to convert it to a percent. It will usually depend on the context. To convert a fraction to a percent, you first must convert it to a decimal and then multiply by 100%, which is the conversion factor. In class, we're going to look at more complex probability scenarios and learn how to use probability trees to help us organize that information in an effective manner.